Okay, so hospitality marketers will know that TikTok has become a really important platform to be on if you're looking to generate travel bookings, restaurant bookings, experience bookings as well, all perform very, very well on TikTok. Every day, users go to TikTok to search for trips, search for experiences, adventures. You can see that the search on TikTok is incredibly well ranked now. We've just had a recent update, which we talked about last month, where you can now add keywords to content, which is saved in the metadata behind every single video on TikTok. 35% of global consumers now turn to social media for travel ideas. 75% of travelers have planned trips to specific destinations after seeing them on social media. And 86% of people have become interested in traveling after seeing its images or as to a specific destination after seeing its images in their social feeds as well. So we know that people are planning holidays, trips, adventures, days out using TikTok and Instagram. So TikTok has recently introduced or announced TikTok Go, which is a new feature that allows users to discover and book travel and local experiences directly within the app. So it surfaces accommodation and activities through videos, search results, and location pages. And rather than having to go and navigate to a third-party website, users can now view all of the details, check availability, and complete their bookings without ever leaving TikTok. So this has launched in the US. It's restricted to users who are over the age of 18 only, and it is tying up with partners including Booking.com, Expedia, Trip.com, and some of the other major travel platforms as well. So it looks like this is a US only feature for now, but really interesting to see how this is going to enhance more hotel bookings, attraction bookings, tours, and other local services directly from the platform. And I'm assuming if this goes well, they'll expand it to even more markets and even more businesses as well. Of course, creators or influencers who showcase hotels and attractions can actually connect their content directly to TikTok Go bookings, providing them with new opportunities to earn money through commissions and creator campaigns. So this will work very similar to how TikTok Shop ties up with e-commerce, content creators and influencers. We will begin to see much more of those travel TikTok and food and drink TikTokers tie up with TikTok Go. So really, really interesting to see this move into much more of a direct comparison with Google search and Google Maps as well, which traditionally has been the main place where you would go and discover travel and make your bookings. So, really, really exciting news there from TikTok. And this is only made possible through some of the partners like Expedia, Trip, and Booking. If you're in the US, you'd be able to tap on any of these and book directly within the app. So lots of opportunity here. And like I said, I'm really excited to see if this rolls out to other markets too. Now, if you are in the world of hospitality, I wanted to flag an event that got coming up in London in just 5 weeks' time. So we're going to be discussing a lot around TikTok discovery, commerce for hospitality. So making sure that you are considering how your hospitality brand shows up on TikTok, how you can drive people towards TikTok Shop, and also share a little bit more about TikTok Go in there as well. We're also going to be talking about GEO, so generative engine optimization. That's optimization in platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity. We're going to be featuring a talk from Reddit. We've got Reddit coming along, we've got TikTok coming along, and some amazing sponsors as well. So if you're interested in joining us on the day, let me know. You can find out more by scanning the QR code. Reach out to me. I've got some discount codes to share with you all as well. So please do ask me about that, and I'd be very, very happy to share.